let me make this point clear. In this generation, I dare say, going by the template we are currently working on in terms of elevation from the High Court to the Court of Appeal to the Supreme Court, no class in this generation, perhaps in another generation, will be in a position ever to produce 7 justices of the Supreme Court as we have done. How did we come to be? Let me tell you a little history about the formation of this class. Many members of this set, we had barely ached together privately, confidentially. I will call Chief Felix Fagbongbe, Chief Kusuche, Albert Akomuje, Ben Sigbano, Chief Lucius Mos, who is not here with us, one of our greatest members. We will say, but we don't have a union. How come younger sects are having unions, associations, and they could come together? Some of them have even had their reunions in Dubai, some in Turkey, some in London. What is going on? But I was too scared to start it. I said, lest I be accused of over-ambition. Then, when it was time, when it was gestation time for the woman to put to bed her baby, God opened the doors. That was how, on the 19th of December 2018, I was at the protocol lounge of the Murtala Mohammed Airport in Lagos. And here came this beautiful lady who has never changed since we were at TIFED together. The Honorable Justice Oluremi Ogutoyibo. Can you stand up for recognition, please? She's a very shy lady. Can we see you, please? Thank you very much. Give her a round of applause. She walked up to me and said, Mike. I said, Ma. She said, why can't we form the 1981 Law School set? I said, my Lord, I'm scared. I don't want to be accused of over-ambition. People may say, I want to show off. She said, what do you mean? When we were at Ife, nobody appointed you our class prefect. Yet, you took it upon yourself. You started becoming a class monitor. At Ife, I will go and meet Professor Agbede, Professor Fabumi, the then Dr. Sage. I will say, what is going to go on tomorrow, sir? They will say, in fact, we are not going to have a class tomorrow morning for so reason. Then I will come and stand in front of the class. I will say, classmates, I have been mandated by so person to tell you. So they gave me the nickname mandated. So she said, as far back as 1975, 76, 77, you were already mandated. You can also now be mandated to found this group. As God will have it, there was another illustrious son of this set, former managing director, former chairman of the NDDC, Chief Sir Dan Abia. Can you stand up, please, for recognition? And then he looked at me and said, Chief Mike, that is very important. You can do it. We know you can do it. Just go ahead and do it. Forget about what people will say. Then I immediately went online and consulted my elder brother, Ebon, Chief Felix Fagbongbe, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. Can you stand up for recognition, please? Chief Fagbongbe, by the way, as an elder brother, when people like Chief Wale Atanda were tormenting us in the school with their cars, he had a Volkswagen. And people like Okagbo and the other one, they had Harley Davidson, that big motorcycle. Chief Felix Fagbongbe already had a motorcycle, Suzuki 175. Then he bought another new one. He called me and said, Aburo, I can sell to you this my Suzuki 175. I said, how much, sir? He said the price would have been 300 naira, but I will sell it to you for 175 naira. So 150 naira, I'm sorry. I had only 100 naira, which I had saved. I said, sir, I can give you 100 naira now. We were even roommates, not just classmates. And because he was much more elderly, in the morning I will iron his clothes and clean his shoes. For this wagon base right here. So he sold his Suzuki 175 to me for 150 naira. And I paid him 100 naira first. And I started paying the other 50 naira by installment. God bless you, sir. With that motorcycle, oh God, heavens as well could have come down. I became a big boy on campus. I had a girlfriend, I will not mention her name, because she's now from a grandmother from Umuchu, near Ekulobia, near Aguata in Anambra State. I will put her on the bike. I became a big boy on campus. When Chief Wale Atanda would be coming with his very quiet Volkswagen, I will also make sure I ride my motorcycle in his front and make sure deliberately I delay him from passing. I will say, no. So, he encouraged me, Chief Danabia encouraged me, Justice Oluremi Oguntoyolo encouraged me, and I started writing the first inaugural speech between the airport and my chambers on 9th Street, Maitama, Abuja. And when I finished, I sent it. What you are seeing here today is the result of that result. God bless the 1981 Law School set. Let me thank Chief Chris Uche, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. He's a man that the cap fits, a square peg in a square hole. When I was...
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.